Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and go to your profile, and from here tap on payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time, and after this go back and now go to subscriptions, and from make sure that there is no unpaid subscription on your Apple ID, and if there is any unpaid subscription then you have to simply pay for this. And after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go back to your Apple ID and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your device and then sign in your Apple ID again on your device as well, and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there then you have to simply go to this Apple Support application, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple Support team. So guys, you have to simply explain them your problem in a brief way, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.